First, we will show how to blur a face in video for free using davinci Resolve. davinci Resolve is an advanced video editing software for Windows and Mac. It has a free version that lets you blur a face for free in a video. First, go to File at the top and then click on Import to add the video to davinci Resolve. Then click on the Color tab at the bottom. Next, click on the Windows tab and then select the shape. Then move the shape to the face you want to blur and also adjust the size of the shape. Next, click on the Track tab and then play the video to start tracking. You can click on the Stop button to stop tracking. After that, find the effect on the top upper corner and then find the blur effect. Drag the blur to the node. Finally, you can preview the video and will find the face is successfully blurred now. So these are some simple solutions about how to blur a face of a video using davinci Resolve.